What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm very happy to announce that there would be a new episode coming in from today, and that's gonna be called as Tech Time. So I'll be sharing up all the tech news, the latest technology news in this particular channel and with the episode of Tech Time. So do hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so get the notification first, and you'll be the first one to know all the latest tech news. Alright guys, so without wasting much time, let's jump into the first episode of Tech Time and let's jump into the headline straight away. And today's headline, we have Apple's new education strategy, and then coming up with Intel's new announcement, and then we have drones capable of reading human heart. So the first update coming up guys is from Apple. Apple has announced a refresh for all the iPads as part of a new approach to education market. So with this, Apple also introduced a new app called ClassKit for developing educational softwares. So Apple also showcased a new free app, and good news for all teachers because there's a new app coming in called Schoolwork to help teachers handle assignments and handbooks. That's pretty dope. So with this, I guess students will stop using the notebooks and start using the iPads. What do you think guys? Is this a better approach? Do let me know in the comment section below. So the next update coming up guys is from the Intel. Intel has announced its new family of 8th generation core processors. This is the big Intel refresh which folks are talking about. So the last update coming up for today is drones are capable of reading human heart rate. Australian researchers have come up with new development of drones which can read human heart rate 60 meters away, and researchers say that this will help in humanitarian crisis. That's an amazing cause. Alright guys, that's it for today, and I hope you like this particular video and I hope you like this first episode of Tech Time. If you have any suggestions, comments, do comment down below, and if you have liked it, hit that like button. And thank you very much for watching, and talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.